Finding your next warehouse space can be time-consuming and frustrating. In our online course, The Ultimate Warehouse Checklist, we cover all the different components to look for while on your warehouse tour. In this particular video, we'll be covering industrial flooring.
Next, let's talk about flooring. Does it have adequate thickness for your needs? Nothing could be probably more boring than flooring, except if you get it wrong. If you need 1100 PSI, which requires a 6-inch slab, and this site only has a 2-inch slab, and then later you find out that you have to improve the flooring, well, then it gets exciting, but not the way you want. So you definitely want to think about, does this flooring meet your needs? You do not want to be spending CapEx dollars, your CapEx dollars, improving the landlord's flooring. You really want a site that has adequate flooring to meet your weight requirements. Does it have level flooring? Is the finish what you need? Like everything else in warehouse space, it's not exciting unless you get it wrong.
Get free access to the full online course. Click the link in the description to begin your journey to stress-free CRE. Thanks for watching.